actually.
How many nuggets are in the chicken nugget challenge?
100.
100.
You couldn't even eat 5, bro.
Scuff that. Everything about my life is just scuffed, isn't it? You think I could eat 30? Well, I'm hungry, so I think I could eat over 100, to be honest. Okay, I emptied my stomach. It's been empty all day. I'm ready to fill it back up. I'm ready to fill the hole, to fill the void that's inside of my body. And these nuggets will take its place. What I do actually is I drink a lot of water before everything. If I drink a lot of water before I actually put it in, I could actually eat a lot more. It's weird. I think the water stretches out your stomach without actually making you feel full or something like that. I don't know. I was really thinking about buying steroids, like honestly. Like it's not a bad, like it's a bad idea and I'm never gonna do it, but I was thinking about it just to help me get back into it and motivate me, but it's not worth it, dude. It's not worth it, man. Cause then I get motherfucking, you know, I'll lose my hair and, you know, get low testosterone, get a lot of acne. It's just not, it's not worth it, man, but it is what it is, dog. All right, so we're here. Hold on, we are here. So let's get these McNuggets, homie. Let's see how much. I mean, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna order 50, and hopefully I can finish them all. I mean, I should be able to. So, I'm a something go kill myself. All right, buddy. Well, you know that's really rude to say. What if I actually did? What if I actually did? How would that make you feel? Okay. But then again, I forgot you're 14, so you're kind of a psychopath until you grow out of it. I used to be one. I used to be a. I think all kids are psychopaths. I experienced the worst of the worst, so. I went to a ghetto-ass school, so. The worst of the worst. Balloons. Somebody's birthday or something. Hello. Can I get 50 chicken McNuggets with a bottled water?
What kind of sauce for the nuggets?
Barbecue sauce. Yeah, 50 chicken McNuggets.
$12.74?
What?
$12.74?
$12? Oh, America! $12 for 50 chicken nuggets. That's a deal. It's a good deal. What I have here is the holy grail of American. What I have here is the holy grail of getting fat as fuck. 1, 2, warm as fuck still, 3, 4, we're not done yet, 5, all for $12 and some change. $12. $12. I'm hungry as fuck. 50's not enough, and I'm not drinking this shit. I dropped it on the floor outside in a puddle. Nasty. I've got a gallon of water. What are y'all thinking? This ain't no food challenge. No, that's against the rules, bro. This ain't no food challenge. I'm hungry as fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna eat myself some fucking don't do that. I'm gonna eat some nuggets. I'm gonna eat some fucking nuggets. No sauce? Does sauce make you more full? I got 10 bro, sauces for days. I got like 10 sauces. I got like 10 fucking sauces. Let's get this. Let's get this. This shit is fucking hot still. Nice and warm. They put this shit in the heater all day. It doesn't get cold in 5 minutes. I really wanted to stream the walk there and back. But sadly, the apps were in beta and they were updating. Shitty timing, I know. Let's fucking eat this shit. I'm so hungry. I should weigh myself. I don't have a scale. I already know how much I weigh. I weigh 165 pounds right now. By the time I don't have a scale, but I'll take a picture. I'll go to the gym and take a picture. By the time we finish this, I can almost guarantee 180, 175. Guaranteed. No, I'm just joking. I have to eat this. I have to eat this food fast before I get full. I have to eat this food fast before my brain tells my body that I'm full. No talking. I have to just eat. No talking. Yes, thank you. Make these nuggets my bitch. Water! I have to drink a lot of water so my stomach expands. You think I'm lying? Watch, when I eat motherfucking all this food, watch. Big gulps of water. One down. Only 4 to go. This ain't no challenge. Because it's easy. If it was a challenge. No, water does not fill you up. Trust me. Trust me. I have to take a shit. That's good. I have to take a shit. That's really good. Because when I take, I'll eat until I get full, and then I'll take a shit, and then I won't be full anymore because I just took a shit, and I let a lot of it out. So I'm holding it in right. I'm holding in my shit. Honestly, I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can do this. I think I'm gonna have to take a shit now. My stomach is. I feel like I've been holding this shit in all fucking day. Like, honestly, I've been holding this shit in all day, dude. It's hard. I need to go take a shit. Hold on. I did wash my hands. I mean, I don't have any soap, but, you know, my hands, I put them under the water for like, you know, a good 15 seconds, kind of just do that, and then I don't have soap, dude, so. Do you really think I didn't wash my hands? I mean, I don't have soap, but water works. It's hard now. It's really getting hard. I'm on the 3rd box, dude. I mean, we've had about 25 nuggets so far. It's hard. I'm surprised I made it this far. 25 nuggets, dude. I don't think I can do this.